Hey everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and in this video we will talk about the improved widgets feature that Windows teased at the latest event and how to use Windows 11 widgets without signing in. As some of you might know, widgets is a new feature in Windows 11 that allows users to receive a fast look at the top-line data from their favorite programs and websites without having to switch between devices. One of the main big features coming up in the next Windows update is an improved widgets panel. As we previously reported, Microsoft demonstrated a full-screen version of the widgets panel for the second time, a feature that was first revealed in June 2021 but has yet to be delivered even in preview. Though it was not mentioned during the event, Microsoft intends to make the widget panel available to developers at some time. Perhaps Microsoft will elaborate on the widgets panel extensibility at the Build 2022 event, which has just been announced for May 24-26. However, we're still waiting for a full-screen widget option for the time being, and all of these improvements will most certainly be included in the 22H2 Windows 11 update, which is expected to arrive in the summer. Cool thing for sure. So to add a tip, if you wanna use Windows 11 widgets without signing in, here's how you can do it. So press the Windows button and select the settings icon, and afterwards make sure to click on Accounts on the left pane. Now in here on the right side, scroll down until you find the Sign In Options category and then click on it. The next thing you have to do is scroll down until you find the additional settings, and next to Improved Security only allow Windows Hello sign-in for Microsoft accounts on this device, make sure to turn the toggle to off. Now just go to the If You've Been Away section when Windows should require you to sign in again, and click on the drop-down menu and then select the Never option. Now the next thing you have to do is simply restart your computer, and after restarting your computer, right-click the Windows button and select Task Manager from the context menu. Now in here make sure to navigate to the Startup section on the left pane, and from here on you can just enable all the widgets that used to be enabled when you were signing up. So that's super simple, just find the widget and then click on the Enable option. Afterwards, if you want to check this solution working out, just restart your PC for the changes to take place. And that's it, super simple, isn't it? As usual, for more information and details you can check the article in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, just make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.